Hello everybody. Today I have for you a 16-inch Lasko oscillating pedestal fan. This particular model is one of Lasko's more basic models that they offer. These are sold at Walmart in two colors, black and white. Today I have the black one with me. It's got a 16-inch oscillating fan head with these cheaper style blades that are thinner and they're not as rounded. And they also make more noise. It's got the newer Lasko logo. They also changed the grills a bit in a way that they don't have those little clips anymore. It just snaps in the other half, which is actually kind of nice. It is height adjustable, like so. And then in addition to that, the stand has these little plastic pieces cut out of it. I think it's just to reduce weight to make it a cheaper product, but that's just my opinion. Also, they changed the motor design as well. You still have the 3 speeds. And you still have the oscillating pin, but this vent design is a little different. Still have a 6-foot cord with a fuse. The head still tilts back. And there's also a carry handle right there. There we go. Alright. So without further ado, start this up on high. So I'm at the other end of the room, and it pushes a pretty good amount of air. Medium. And low. So there you have it. There is the basic Lasko 16-inch oscillating black pedestal fan. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer it. Stay safe out there.